Go to Non-respondents in the left menu. At this page, you can find the list of contacts who have not yet responded. You can filter on report level, wave, and representative. On this page, you can send reminders yourself via the fly. A reminder can be sent maximum every 48 hours. You can copy the survey URL and send it via your own communication, for example, WhatsApp, or your own email to the contact. Or you can click on the info button for more information about the contact. You can also download the non-respondents list as an Excel.